Hi everyone. Today we're going to work on some reading basic words. Sometimes these are called sight words. Sight words are words that you should know automatically when you see them. So these are the first words when you start to read. These are the first words that we always learn. So I'm going to point to it, and the game is to say the word ahead of me. So when I point to this word, you say I before I do. And if you're still learning to read, that's fine. That's no problem. We'll just say pass if you need to pass, and then I'll say the word and we'll keep moving forward. Here we go. I, you, he, she, it. They, me, him, her, my. Mine, your, yours, his, its. Who, whom, whose, what, which. Another, another. Each, everything, everything. Nobody, either. These are big words. Either. Someone, that, myself, yourself, himself. Herself, itself, this, that, I. Some of them are repeating. You, he, she, it, they. Me, him, her, my, your. Mine, this, that, his, which. What, whose, myself, another. And all these words we just read out loud are called pronouns. They have a big fancy name, pronouns. You'll learn about that when you get to the upper grades. Pronouns. Excellent job. That was it. Well done, well done. All right, I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.